Hey, in today's video, we'll be replacing the air filter on this 2016 BMW 528i with the N20 engine. This should apply to all cars with the N20 engine. So, first step is going to be removing this little ball right over here. Now, I don't know why BMW did this, but there's two separate sizes for the bolts. This one is a 16, that one is a 15. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those. There it is, super long bolt for some reason. Clean up those threads. I might put some anti-seize on there for future. And now this is real light aluminum or something. And it's shallow. And now we're gonna remove 3 clips. There's one in the middle here, one on the left, and then one on the right. They'll just come off with your finger. And then we can move this box backwards to get the air filter accessible. Now, an optional step is to remove this screw and take off the whole box just to make it easier for you. Probably won't do that right now, but you can do that if you want to. But you should just be able to sneak this out. Right, and there you have it. Now, to check your air filter, you can always put your air filter up to a light source. If you can see light through it, that means the air filter is good. This one, I can barely see any light through it. It's not too bad. This air filter could have lasted me a little longer if I wanted it to. It's a factory BMW Man, 2018. So it's been replaced once before, for sure, because this car's a 2016. But I went ahead and got a new one anyway, so just so you can compare. Because this car is new to us. So, I'm happy replacing it. And you can see the difference. This one you can see a lot more easily through it. Yeah, so put it back on, use reverse procedures. We're gonna pop this back in place. Sometimes we could take off this box if there's crap in here. Remove any of the crap that's in there. Gotta slide this back into place. So make sure you push it in all the way and seal it. Then on the bottom over here, you got those 4 little weird hook thingies right there. Just gotta put the bottom of the box pushed in there. Put the 3 clips back on. 1, 2, 3. Put your little weird looking hard thing back on. This, I believe the side with the little lettering was the 16 side. Don't know the torque spec on these, and I'm not gonna anti-seize it right now. I'll do it a little bit later. It's because my anti-seize is at my workshop. But snug that back on, and the job is pretty much done. And there you have it. This video took me about 4 minutes and 45 seconds of recording time. Obviously, I sped up the nonsense, but in under 5 minutes, I took out the filter, inspected it, and replaced it. Now, this filter was off of FCP Euro. I believe I paid about 20 bucks or something for it. Wasn't too expensive, super simple to do. So I hope this video helps you. They recommend replacing the air filters between 15 and 30,000 miles based on inspection. And if there's any questions, please let me know. But again, this is how to replace your air filter on your N20 engine. And this one specifically is a F10 528i. Thank you for watching, and until next time, everyone. Peace.